at night. I want to be in the streets. So, hey little mamas. So today is Monday. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. So if you are new here, hey girl, my name is Ericarenee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, I just woke up. It's like 10:28 a.m. and like I said, today is Monday, August the 2nd. So this week I'm off from work. Hallelujah. Thank God. So it's my vacation time. So yeah, I'm just gonna be, I kind of don't want to sit in the house all week because clearly I'm not going like, you know, out of town or anything, which is kind of sad, but I'm not going anywhere special. So I kind of want to like spend time with myself. Like I want to like, you know, go out and do stuff. So today I'm going to I'm just making me some lemon water, y'all. I've been drinking lemon water every morning, and it's kind of been helping me with like not being hungry throughout the day. It's kind of like making me like my appetite kind of not be there, kind of, which I kind of like because I feel like I overeat. So that's one thing that I kind of want to stop doing because yeah, clearly that's not good. So yeah, I'm just squeezing me some lemon. This doesn't have that much in here. But yeah, so I just want to spend time with myself this week. Why is that not coming out? So today I'm going to go get my toes done because girl, these toes, they're barking, okay? Like they're like send help. They're telling me send help. So I'm going to go get my toes done today. And I think I'm going to lay off the gel polish. Like, I didn't really realize that gel polish was kind of messing up my toenails. Like, they're making them very flimsy. If you know, you know. I didn't realize that it was doing that until recently. So, I feel like I need to, like, kind of chill off the gel polish for a little bit. So, I'm just going to get, like, regular polish on my toes. And I think I'm going to do the color black. Because I usually do, like, white. But I kind of want to do something a little different, you know? Yeah. Or maybe I could do, like, the French tip. Girl, I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm doing today, get my toes done, and then I might take myself to get some lunch, like go out to get some lunch. I don't know. I was really wanting to try this Korean barbecue place, but they're closed on Mondays. Like, who does that? It looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. So I'm kind of upset that they're closed. So I'm gonna have to like find another place. I might get some sushi or something. I don't know. But tomorrow, my friend is coming over. And we're supposed to be going out to eat. So I'm gonna vlog that for y'all. Like, I need to get out and do stuff. So that's what we're doing today. Toes done, something to eat, and tomorrow we're going out to eat again. So yeah, I'm just making me my little lemon and lime water. So yeah, and then I'm probably gonna work out before I leave. I really need to get a workout in because I haven't worked out all week, y'all. This is a new week. We gotta get it together. So I'm probably gonna work out, and then I'm probably gonna have me a little omelet for breakfast. So yeah, girl, I'm just keeping y'all updated on what I'm gonna be doing today, what we gonna be doing today. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all a little later. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. So guess that I was supposed to get my toes done, but I didn't go because girl, I was just being lazy. So today we're about to go get our toes done. Let me show y'all the fit. So I'm just keeping it real simple. I have on my Skims outdoor little biker shorts, and then I'm wearing my Yeezys. We have on these, the black ones, and then I just have on just this little graphic tee that I got from, I think I got this from Misguided. Yeah. So that's what it's, ooh. So that's what it's giving today. My camera is really acting up. So that's what it's giving today. I'm supposed to be going out to eat a little later on, like after I get my toes done. But I think I'm going to come back home and change because I kind of don't want to wear what I have on. This is like too casual for me. So yeah, girl, I got to drop Miss Bella over here. I got to drop her off at my mom's house because she don't know how to act when I'm not here. And I don't want to come back to a house that's destroyed. So yeah, I'm about to drop her off. Girl, I just been doing a whole lot. I'm over here like sweating. Like, ew. I need to get it together. But yeah, girl, I'm gonna see y'all once I get to my little toe appointment. You ain't gonna like that. It tastes low-key like a pickle juice, but it's like, I don't know. It's like not a nasty pickle. Like, it's not nasty.
Twice fried wings?
Yes, thank you. It's not like nasty, but it's not good. Ooh, I just want it out. No, this looks good. Yeah, this is good. It's good? I'm gonna try to put it on. Did you get it? Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Well, a couple days later. I don't even remember where I left off. I think I went out to eat and I went to go get my toes done. Girl, the person who did my toes did horrible. Like, I'm never going to him again. Like, I don't even know if I want to go to that same shop because they did horrible. First of all, I told him to take, because I had a fake nail on my big toe. I told him to take that off. He did not take it off, was not listening. I told him like twice. Still did not take it off. Second of all, like, he polished horribly. And I don't know if it's because I didn't get gel polish. I don't know, but it just looks a hot mess. So I ended up taking the polish off myself, y'all, and painted them like a different color. Girl, it was just a waste of money. And I think I paid like $45. Like, hot mess. So yeah, I'm probably not going to go there anymore because they definitely tried it. So right now it is, what's today? Today is Saturday, August the 7th. So yeah, girl, I'm just chilling. I really wanted to go out today, but I don't have nobody to go out with. Like, I feel like my friends, they want to do stuff. And yeah, it's just like so annoying. So I'm probably going to be in the house once again. I should start going out by myself, to be honest. But like, when it gets at nighttime, I kind of don't want to go out by myself. Like, I don't know. If you know, you know. But I just don't want to go out by myself at night. But I don't want to be going out during the day all the time. Like, I don't want to go out during the day. Like, I want to be out at night. I want to be in the streets. So, yeah. So, I don't know what I'm going to do, y'all. Like, it's probably just going to be another boring day. So, right now, I'm about to make me this little chopped salad kit. Y'all, Target has the best chopped salad kits ever. Like, ever. So, this is the maple bourbon bacon chopped salad. And this is from the brand, the Good and Gather brand. Girl, be banging. So I've never had this kind, but I have had the Buffalo Ranch, and I have that one in my refrigerator. That one is busting. So we're gonna see how this one tastes. Hopefully it is good. So I'm about to just make this right quick. It is a lot, y'all. It is a lot. Like, this is a lot. And then this salad, it's the maple bourbon bacon, so it has romaine lettuce, shredded broccoli stalk, red and Sauvé cabbage, green onion, carrot, uncut bacon, and golden honey almonds. Baby, that sounds good to me. Okay, so this is the little packet, and it has like all of the stuff in there that you need. It's a maple bourbon. What is it? Maple bourbon vinaigrette. So I hope that it'll be good and not too like sweet. So we got to get it together. The only thing that I don't be liking is that, baby, it need to be 2 packs of dressing, because I'm a girl who likes to have my salad, you know, I don't like it to be overflowing with dressing, but I want it to be enough. What is going on? I be wanting it to be enough dressing, girl. See, this is not enough dressing. Oh no, this might be, honestly, this might be enough dressing. Now that I'm like looking at it, it might really be enough. I honestly didn't have a choice because I don't have no other dressing, so it was gonna have to be enough. This looks good though. Oh, I hope it's good. Period, Brookie. This is the finished product. It looks like this. It looks so good to me. Like, girl, it looks so good. Okay, so let's try it out, honey. Because I'm a little skeptical about this sauce. So I like balsamic, but I don't know about maple brown. I don't know. We're about to see. It's good, but it's just like weird. I don't know. It's good. It's not bad. It's just that maple brown. I'm just gonna like get used to that, but it's not bad. But I think I like my buffalo chicken one. Not buffalo chicken. Buffalo ranch. That one is just so much better. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. It is Sunday. Girl, I look so crazy, but this is how we looking. Like, this is how we look in the morning. We look crazy. So yeah, I just got finished eating some breakfast. Girl, let me tell you how my days have been. Like, they just been like just all over the place. Like, my hormones have been everywhere. Like, Mother Nature really is kicking my tail. It just started this morning, but these past few days I just been feeling so sad. Like, I don't know. I just been feeling so sad, y'all. Like, I don't know. But I knew it was an explanation for it, because it's just like, why am I feeling sad? And then today, boom, it hit me. So yeah, I'm in my closet. I'm in my closet right now, y'all, because I kind of want to like clean my closet because it looks a hot mess. I don't have my my dresser yet. So my clothes are like in these bins. So if y'all have seen like my moving vlogs, you would know that I have like these little bins to put my clothes in. So girl, we about to get this together because it's just a lot of stuff in here that I probably don't even wear, don't even need. I just do not like how this looks. So I'm about to spend this morning focusing on this because it just looks a hot mess. Let me really show y'all what I mean, because it just looks crazy. So these are the bins that I have my clothes in. You see they're like overflowing. I feel like I have stuff in here that could be hung up. So I need to like organize this and take stuff out because this is just a mess. And then I kind of want to like color coordinate the best of my ability to this closet. Like, look at this. This just looks a mess. Like, everything is just everywhere. And then I have stuff up here, y'all. I got Bella stuff up here. I think those are my bathing suits. I need to put those in a bin because that just looks a mess. And then on this side is fine because this is like winter stuff. This side is fine, but I have like shoes right there. Girl, I have like shoes over here that I do not even wear. Like these Fila. Girl, where am I going? Like, I need to throw these away or give these away because it's just not it. So I need to get rid of some of these things that I have. Don't mind mine. This is my little laundry basket, y'all. But my closet is like so spacious, so I feel like it should not be looking like this. Like, it's a spot for everything. So I'm gonna just like get this together. This is like a little comforter, like a little blanket for people when they spend the night. I have one up there. This needs to go up there. So yeah, this is just how it's looking. So let's get into cleaning, because this is not cute. Hey y'all, so I just got finished doing my closet. So let me show y'all the finished product. So girl, this is how it's looking. So I have like everything organized in the front, and then it goes into like my skims. It goes into like crop tops, shirts that don't have any sleeves on it. Then it has short sleeve, and then it has dresses. Girl, like doing this organization, I realized I don't have any clothes. Like, what is this? Like, I feel like organizing everything and seeing everything in one place just really, like, girl, it just gets you thinking, like, I need to get some more stuff. Like, these are all the dresses that I have. Like, really? Like, what the heck? Like, y'all, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Like, what the heck? So, yeah, I need to go shopping. Let me know. Yeah, let me know if I should do like a try on haul, because I'm gonna order some clothes because this is not it, baby. Like, where are my clothes at? Like, I don't know. I threw away a couple of things, like stuff that I don't wear, stuff that like has like holes in it. Like, why do I have that? I don't know. But this top up here, I need some more hangers. So I ran out of hangers. So this is some stuff that I need to like hang up. And then I just have like my little purses over here. I don't have that many bags, but those are just like my bags that I wear like most of the time. And then this is just like when guests come over, like, you know, comforter, pillows, stuff like that. And I kind of just threw, I don't know if y'all can see that. I kind of just threw the little, what is this called? The little fitted sheets up there. Because, girl, I am the worst when it comes to folding fitted sheets. Like, I cannot fold fitted sheets. I just can't. So, yeah, this is how the bins are looking. I feel like it looks so much better. Because before, it was just like stuff hanging out of the bin. So I like organized that into sections. Girl, I can't wait until I get my dresser. But yeah, so this is how this side looks. It was already organized. This up here is like a bag full of bathing suits. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I don't know what I can do with that, because I feel like I need my dresser. So yeah, that's just going to have to stay in there until the meantime. So I just have like all my winter stuff over here. And then my shoes over here. So I didn't really do much with these. I just threw away those Fila shoes. I think I'm going to give them away. I'm going to donate those. But these are my shoes over here. I got heels at the bottom. And yeah, that's just how we do it. So yeah, girl, we're getting somewhere. So I kind of want to organize the bottom of my cabinet in my bathroom, like my under cabinet stuff, because that one is a hot mess too, y'all. But I think I'm going to save it for the next vlog. So girl, we're coming to an end. This is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next vlog, because I am going to be organizing in that one as well. So yeah, girl, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.